Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions out there this morning with abundance of low cloudiness across the region. Seeing some fog as well in the area. And continue to see that this morning. It will slowly erode or move out of the region as we move into the late morning hours and the afternoon hours. We should see some peaks of sunshine for the afternoon hours today. Possibility we see some partly cloudy conditions for a brief time period this afternoon. But overall, going to be continuing to see some low-level cloud cover in the region in and out of the area today. As we move into the night, we'll see that fog and low-level cloud cover build back in the region and seeing a very similar pattern for the rest of the week. Our current surface analysis, we have this trough along the coastline that gave us a few light sprinkles last night. We have a stationary boundary across the Ohio Valley. It's going to remain over that region. Going to see the Wallops weather kind of in between those two with an area high pressure ridging down the coastal plain from New England. That's going to provide us with this light wind field at the surface, plenty of low-level moisture across the region the next few days. So we'll see time periods of fog during the overnight hours into the morning hours, and then seeing that fog erode or low cloud erode for the afternoon hours with some partly cloudy conditions. We'll see mild conditions with above normal temperatures the next few days. Looking at our current conditions, seeing overcast take 500 feet, winds calm, temperature 63 degrees, and relative humidity at 100%. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we have that cloud cover, especially in the low levels across the region. Seeing some higher level cloud cover associated with some sprinkles that are and light rain showers that are off the coast this morning. Not going to see any chance of rainfall for today as we have that coastal boundary off the coast, as well as the showers that were in the area last night moving well off the north into the east. So looking at our risk chart for the next 24 hours, no chance of precipitation or lightning. We'll see those cloud ceilings possibly below 500 feet from time to time this morning, and then seeing that condition most likely rise above 500 feet once we move past about 10 o'clock this morning. And we'll see those low clouds move back in for the overnight hours, as well as some fog. Seeing a high today at 75 degrees, a low tonight around 62. We'll see light winds in general throughout the next 24 hours. Southwesterly winds at 5 to 10 knots for this afternoon into the early evening hours, then variable winds less than 5 knots. Looking at our terminal forecast, going to see that low-level cloud cover in here for today, seeing a broken deck of 600 feet till about noon today. And then afternoon today should see ceilings above 1,000 feet, around 1,500 feet. Possibility we see some ceilings moving up to VFR conditions after 1,400 local until about 8 o'clock this evening or 20 local. Then should see those ceilings move back down to about 1,500 feet, and then seeing that fog or low cloudiness move in with likely conditions, seeing those low clouds around 500 feet or so overnight. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Wednesday and Thursday, Wednesday we'll have morning fog and low clouds, then partly to mostly cloudy and warm, a high of 76 Wednesday night. Mostly cloudy with fog and low cloudiness likely, a low of 60. And for Thursday, chance of morning fog, otherwise partly to mostly cloudy and warm, a high of 74. We'll see orange conditions, so likely conditions around 60 to 70%, seeing those clouds or visibilities below the criteria levels, especially during the morning hours on Wednesday and Thursday, and pretty much all overnight on Wednesday night. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.